We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam, and I'm working with a Dell B-3460dn. So with this printer there's only probably about two places that you're going to have a jam. First place to check is going to be in the back. So literally just pull this down. The paper would be right here. Be careful because it does get really hot back here. Anytime you're clearing a jam, you want to pull gently and slowly. So you literally would just pull up and out. If you're not seeing it there, then I would check in here. Open your front hatch by the side there. Pull your toner out and your drum. And then the paper will be right here. Just make sure you're very careful when clearing your jam. Put your stuff back in there. And then you should be good to go. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.